In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy NFTs. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button and then go and leave a like as well, as I plan to go and drop more cryptocurrency videos and NFT guides. So please do watch the video right until the end as well, so you know all of the information I want to give you about NFTs and how you can go and fully purchase them. So just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, nor is this video financial or investment advice. Please go and do your own research, as crypto is very risky and volatile. Now we've got that out of the way, I want to go and make this video completely for beginners and fully simplified. So you know the 4 steps to what an NFT is, to also how to go and buy one. So if you didn't know what NFT stands for, it means non-fungible token. Essentially these are digital assets on the blockchain which you can go and trade, i.e. buy and sell. Now NFTs can be anything digital, so they can be a picture, they can be music, they can literally be anything, and they're being used for all sorts of things as well at the moment. So now I want to go and jump into the computer and explore these a bit more and show you how you can go and purchase them, and also some of the key websites as well. So as you can see, I'm now on Google, and let's go and continue with this. So the main big platform at the minute is called OpenSea, but many others do exist as well. So what you want to do is search for OpenSea, and the official website is opensea.io, so you can also go directly to that page here. So let's come here, and as you can see, we can go and click on explore, and this is going to show us all of the different assets. So as you can see, there's over 20 million, which is pretty crazy, and there are so many different ones, and all of these are going to have different demands as well. So if we go and click on all items, it's going to go and show us single items and bundles, and you can go and sort by all of the different options here as well. And if you come over to the left down here, we've got collections here, and these are different types. You've got CryptoFunks, so you know there's so many as well. And then we've got gone and got chains as well. So you've got Ethereum, Polygon, and Clayton. And we've also got categories. Now categories is really interesting. So we've got art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, sports, utility. So the main one I sort of look at is art. So when you look at these assets, as you can see in the bottom right, we've got the price. And the price is in Ethereum. So that's why it says like 0.1 Ethereum. So you will have to go and convert them. Or say when you go and click on one, it's then going to go and tell you the converted price here at the current price for Ethereum. The main token used with NFTs is currently Ethereum, but of course that's probably going to change in the future. So now I want to show you how you can go and buy an NFT. As I said before, this is not financial advice, I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. So all you want to do is go and click on one you like. So say if you wanted one like this one called Cypher City, you click on it like so, and then you want to go and click buy now. You can look at the price here. You click buy now, and you may not know what this is, but this is called MetaMask, and you can go and use another wallet as well. And what you do is you actually store your NFTs in wallets, but you also purchase it using that Ethereum from the wallet. And I'm going to go and explain that now. So what we're essentially going to do is we're going to go and create a wallet. We can then go and send Ethereum to that wallet, and then we can go and purchase the NFT. So I'm going to go and show you how you can go and get MetaMask, because this is sort of the most common one. So you want to go and click on the Get MetaMask button, as you can see here. I did already previously have this, which is why it said sign in, but I'm going through the full guide from scratch. So then you want to go and click Install MetaMask for Chrome, and it's going to go and take you to the Chrome store, and you want to go and click Add to Chrome, and then you're going to get this notification here. I'm going to go and click Add Extension, and then it's going to take a minute to load. As you can see, it's now checking, and we'll just wait. And then once it has finished checking and fully installed, as you can see, it's going to take us here. Then it's going to take you to this screen here. If it doesn't load, just go and refresh it, is what I did, and let's go and click Get Started. So as you can see, you can either go and make a new wallet if you haven't already got one. So I'm going to go and click create a wallet. And then you've got these options here. I'm going to click no thanks personally, but you can if you like. And then you just have to go and create a new password and go and confirm it. And then you need to go and make sure you've read the terms of use, which I already have. And then you want to go and click I have read and agree to them, and then go and click create. Then it's going to go and tell you about securing your wallet. So I recommend you go and watch this video. And once you have, then go and click next. Then it's going to go and give you your secret backup phrase. As you can see here, it says never disclose your backup phrase. That's really key, and make sure you sort of read all this as well. And then you'll go and click next, and you'll have to go and confirm your secret backup phrase. Then you're going to go and get this pop-up here saying congratulations. Do make sure you keep that secret recovery phrase very secret and somewhere where you're going to go and remember it as well. It's then going to take us to your wallet, and you need to go and get some Ethereum in here. So you can go and buy some by clicking buy here, and it's going to go and give you a few different options here. Or you can go and receive some, and your address is just up here, so you can go and copy it and then paste it into your Coinbase account, say, and send some Ethereum to it. Then once you've done that, you then can come back here and you can go and refresh OpenSea. And as you can see, you can go and click sign in now, and we'll have to go and use our account. So then you can go and click next, and then you can go and click connect, and then you can go and connect it up to OpenSea, and then you would go and click buy now once you've connected your MetaMask and sign in, and you then go and agree to the terms of service, and then you could go and click checkout. But because I haven't got enough funds, I can't go and check out. And then once you've fully purchased it, you can click on your profile picture up here, and then it's going to take you here and it's going to show your full collection, and you'll have to go and connect your MetaMask account. I've actually just had this notification here, so I'm going to go and click sign. And then it's going to go and show you all of your different NFTs once you've connected your MetaMask account, because that's where your NFTs are actually stored. And that's literally it, guys. So you can go and simply buy an NFT just like that. As I said, do it at your own risk. Of course, these are very, very volatile, and just ensure you understand the full risks and other things about dealing with crypto. So if you found this video useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.